Alright guys, what I want to share with you guys earlier is Redneck screwdriver. I don't know how well you guys can see this, but it's a tire iron. One of them screwdrivers that if you lose it, if you're running over the lawnmower, you know you're going to hit something. But I've done this for years. I've been meaning to make a video of it for quite some time. It's just kind of forget sometimes, you know. Get going on other stuff. But yeah, it works pretty slick. You know, it's kind of like a speed wrench type thing. Yeah, so just pull them, slicker as shit. So voila! Do we dare go in? See what's inside this nasty son of a bitch. I don't know how to take one apart. I've never done it before. I'm just gonna leave it at that. And yeah, well, it can go as electric motor now. So, anyways, just want to share that with you guys. Redneck screwdriver. So, alrighty. Thanks everybody for watching. Appreciate it. Take care.